Morning guys, it is 6:07 in the morning. Don't worry, I'm whispering because I'm in the car. I got up about 20 minutes ago, made the girls lunch, and I'm now going to go to the big Tesco's just because it's the only one that's open 24 hour and I need to get some food shopping done. But Ben is leaving at 8 today, otherwise I'd leave later. And my mum's coming later to look after Foxy while I work, but I have actual work to do, so I'm not going to have time to do a food shop later either. So 6 in the morning it is, but hopefully it'll be nice and quiet and I can get done really quickly. I'll talk to you when we get there. We've arrived at Tesco's. Fucking bought myself a coffee in a flask, and it's got one of these lids on it, and I thought I could drink out of it, and I tried, and it's just fucking gone all over me while I was driving. Boiling hot coffee. But I need to have a little bit before I go in, even though it's decaf. I'm at the big Tesco's. I never come to the big Tesco's, very rarely. But it was literally the only place I could find in Norwich that was open 24 hour. And I feel quite restrained because I did initially wake up at like 4 and I was like, should I go now? And I was like, probably not the best idea for my day in general. But I'm here now, so I'll see you in a bit.
Mummy's at the shops.
I got a picture for her.
Yeah.
Mama.
Oh, you can give it to her when she gets here. Oh, who's this one?
Mine.
You hold it then. Right. Should we go and look for some elves?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me come down.
Wait for me, remember.
Yeah, come on in. Come on, Harry. Hey, come on. Wait there, Mika. What's Ari doing? Go on, come down. What are you doing? Go and get her, Mika. Let her come down first because she's been the wally head.
She always goes down first because she does want.
No, she's getting her juice. What? Well, come downstairs, look. Yes, please.
That's the eyes with the jack over from Elsa.
Let me see.
And this 5 and 10.
Let's see. Right. Go on, let's have a look then. Both together.
Sparkle Fat. How's she doing? How's she doing? I already found one out. How was Sparkle
Let Mika see the note. Let Ari see the note.
Sparkle Fat was just standing. Love your now new shoes. Let's look at our new shoes now. Because we have to. In a picture, I even have my new shoes on because it's snowing. Oh, good. Look.
Good find, Mika.
That was me.
I know, Mika was looking at the shoes and you saw them right there.
Yeah.
Let's have a look then.
These are my favourite ones. Anyway.
Look at them elves in your shoes.
Daddy, I got yours mine. That wasn't enough for Sparkle Fat.
Right, let's put them back in their box.
Sparkle Fat was good because she made.
Hi.
Hi!
Foxy's got a waffle. I am making a big pan of bolognese. You showing everyone your waffle? They're nice. They're nice.
Let's see what making.
Ari's there.
Let's see what making.
Aria is having to isolate because there is a potential case of COVID in her, not her class, but in reception there's 2 classes, and in the other class to her there's a potential case. So she's having to isolate. The rest of us don't have to, but she has. So Mika's going to school. Someone's going to come and pick her up. Just because I obviously can't take her because I can't take Aria out of the house. But yeah, What do you reckon?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
What?
Does he like his waffle? So yeah, we're just gonna do this today. Aria's class is shut today because of a possible case of a big bug. So, what are we making, Ari? Bolognese. You saw a leaf. What kind of leaf is it?
Bay leaf, and it was right here now. I don't know where.
There's 4 bay leaves in there.
Why?
Does it smell good? What have we put in it?
I can't remember.
What was this?
Lentil.
Lentils. What else is in there?
Mixed
Mixed herbs, water.
There's a
There's a leaf. And we put some OXO in it. Well, not OXO. We did the gluten-free ones because my brother. A teeny tiny bit of oil, some tomato puree, and some mincy. And it looks good. And we're going to cook it all day, aren't we? Going to be delicious? Yeah. I was going to leave you up there, Ari. You going to stay there all day? No. Excuse me? You can open the back door apparently, can you?
No.
Oh yeah, it's cold. Can I shut it? Mummy, shut it. Cold. Oh, so cold. Just, yeah, cold. Right, I've got so much to unbox today. You are currently sitting on the Vegan Kind snack box, a snack surprise box, and I've got the Degusta box over there. But I also have this, which I'm very excited about. My friend Catherine, who is Midge on Instagram, she won a giveaway for Hidden Dusk on Instagram, and she was allowed to nominate a friend to share the winnings with, and she chose me, which is so lovely. And I love Hidden Dusk Sing because I chat to Paige, who is the owner. And it says, Hidden Dusk, congratulations Lucy on winning the giveaway with Catherine. We hope you find the scent in the box that you love. Have a wonderful Christmas and New Year from Paige at Hidden Dusk. I'll leave her Instagram down below for you guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, look at this box. That is the most beautiful box. There is so much stuff on my desk. How gorgeous is that? And it says, festive and cozy wax melt selection. 9 different scents and 2 of each scent to last you through the festive season. Oh my god, this packaging is gorgeous. Oh, I want to do that back up and take a picture of it because it's so freaking pretty. I need to go and get my phone. It's in the other room. Wait there. I just took some pictures. Let's have a look inside. Okay, let's have a look. Oh my goodness, and they're all individually wrapped. Look. Like, look at that. That is beautiful. So we've got Australian sandalwood and vanilla, winter spruce, wise men, molten amber, berries and holly, festive spirit, fig, festive garland, and Christmas spice. They sound amazing. The whole thing smells incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh my goodness, that smells incredible. They all do. I'm going to have one of them on in a little while. Thank you so much, Paige, and thank you to Catherine for sharing the giveaway with me. It's so lovely. I never win anything, so that's so, so nice. Thank you. Let's do something. We're going to do my giveaway. And the advent calendars. Let me just grab these. I'm very close still. So, glossy box. I got a sleek, loose pigment in the colour Trance, which is a really pretty copper. And then in Look Fantastic, I also got something from Sleek, and it is a hydrating moisturising primer, which looks really interesting. I'm going to get a box of Goth. Where's 17? There's 17. Oh, got something else to show you as well. It's just crap everywhere. Right, let's, where have I just put that little blade? Right. Oh, Oh, it's a proper box of goth necklace. I love it. I love it. It's a box of goth logo. Oh, I love it. Look at him. He's amazing. Look, that's the box of goth logo if you're like, what? I love that. I would totally have that as a tattoo. That might get added to my Halloween arm because it is just so cute. It's such a cute little skull. I've got a similar skull on the back of my leg. I will take a picture of him and put, well, there's two, there's Bert and Beryl on the back of my legs. I'll take pictures of them and they're very similar to that. I got sent this yesterday from Glossybox. Because I'm a member of the Glossy Circle. I've got to do this. I'm going to try and do this tonight if I get a chance. But it is a wreath kit and it is beautiful. It's meant to be beautiful. God knows what it will be like because I'm doing it. But look. And it's got everything in it to make a wreath and it just looks gorgeous. So hopefully, if the kids give me an hour tonight, I will do this tonight. That looks so pretty. And then, where have I put my giveaway now? Oh, farts. Oh, it's there. My giveaway today, if you want to enter any of the giveaways from the 12th until, right up until Christmas Day, I'm going to leave them open and I'm going to pick a winner on Boxing Day, I think, for everybody. They'll be open and all the instructions are in, uh-oh, there's a veggie, in the description boxes. But today's one is a Dermalogica daily micro exfoliant. This is an extra from Glossybox. I've got a bubble tea bath pearls, a pencil that says don't be a dick. I haven't seen your juicy baby.
I haven't been it upstairs.
You did have it upstairs, we were at earlier. I bet it's in your bed, in Mika's bedroom. And then I've got a new neutrals from Revolution palette as well. And the only reason I'm giving this away is because I've already got one. They're all brand new, never been used. But yeah, that's the giveaway for today. I need to get on and film some stuff because I've literally, like, look, let me show you. I've got 2 boxes there I need to film. There's another one over there. It's just, I need to go to Next and pick up, oh God, I'm dropping everything. I need to go to Next and pick up an order because I bought the girls some boots last night. Ari got some really cute ones that I showed you in yesterday's vlog, I think, and Mika got some, and then I ordered the same as Mika because they do them in a 6. And there's no tax on kids' shoes, so yeah, they're £36, so I'm hoping they fit. I've got a really bad ingrown toenail that is absolutely disgusting and hurts so bad. Why's my phone gone dark? I don't know. But I haven't even edited yesterday's vlog yet and it is already 1:30 the next day, and yesterday's should have been edited last night but I didn't because I'm shit. Yeah, I'm going to go and do that now and then I will talk to you and hopefully we'll do the wreath later because it looks really, really fun. I might get the girls to do it with me when Ben gets home so he can have Foxy because I'm pretty sure trying to do that with a 1-year-old will be horrific. Hey, today's been a nothing day, I'm sorry. But we were a bit limited as to what we could do because of Aria isolating. So yeah, I just went and picked up, because Ben's home now, I just went and picked up my new boots. I'll show you. They are the same as Mika's, but they're kids and I got a size 6 because there's no tax on kids' shoes. And they're a little bit big, but then I can wear them with big boots, not big boots, big socks. But I think Ari's just done a poo, so I need to go.